In the heart of the digital revolution, India's financial landscape is undergoing a transformative evolution. Amidst this change, one sector is redefining the way you access credit: digital lending platforms. By just using your smartphones, you can access quick and convenient loans through a plethora of digital lending platforms. But what exactly are digital lending platforms? Let's dive in. Digital lending platforms are online platforms that connect borrowers with lenders, leveraging technology to streamline the loan application process. In India, several popular apps and websites dominate the digital lending space. There are various apps that offer instant loans at the tap of a button. One such app is the Bajaj Markets app. With minimal documentation requirements and quick approval times, these platforms have become go-to solutions when you're in need of urgent funds. So how do these platforms function? Digital lending platforms employ sophisticated algorithms and AI-powered analytics to assess borrower profiles and determine creditworthiness. All you need to do is simply download the app, fill out basic information, and select your desired loan amount. Digital lending platforms offer a wide range of loan products to cater to diverse financial needs, from personal loans and payday loans to small business loans and education loans. These platforms provide access to various financial products. Accessibility is key in the digital lending ecosystem. Thanks to the widespread availability of smartphones and internet connectivity, digital lending platforms have penetrated deep into India's urban and rural areas. In conclusion, digital lending platforms have revolutionized the lending landscape in India, offering unparalleled convenience and accessibility to millions. With the power of technology at our fingertips, accessing credit has never been easier. For more such informative financial content, do stay tuned. Until then, keep watching, keep learning.